guys, you are welcome back to another video. If today na your first time when you come across this YouTube, you are welcome. So do not forget to subscribe and like the video and share the video, because this matter concern most especially those where they outside Nigeria. So I don't sit down reason this issue. I see and say Nigeria leaders, they just dey to frustrate the youth. They dey to frustrate the youth. Now wetin I see where Nigeria governor, president, all the Nigeria leaders, now wetin they do now be this. So they say make una frustrate. Then you no gree sit down for that Nigeria, they face the hardship. You come by mistake travel comot. Then you wan see from there, they bring money, they come, they talk for the country. They no need them. They no need them. Because I don't see all the laws where our leaders, they always they bring come outside. They no they bring any law where be say go favor the youth. Then they bring law where go favor them, themselves. Then they bring the come. So now, I want make our leaders tell us wetin concern Nigeria problem, concern money where they send, they come from outside. I want make Nigerians tell me if Nigeria don't start to dey use dollar, if Nigeria no be naira again, whether na dollar we don dey use for our country, abeg make una tell me. So who dey go outside now go come see 100 euros, okay, make it send am for your mama, make it take chop. They say na dollar, then you go take receive am for Nigeria. And my people abeg, make una check the rate of dollar. So you now go send euro for here wey hard pass dollar. You go send euro for Europe, you go receive am for dollar. Or people wey dey UK go send pounds, they go receive am for dollar. I want make una tell me which plan these people get for us. Which plan they get for us? Because most app now, they say they no fit dey send money again. Person go send money now, they'll say you no go fit receive am in naira, you go receive am in dollar. I don't understand why these people they try to bring war to Nigeria. Because I want make una understand one thing. These people, their children not in Nigeria. Their children not in Nigeria. Most all their children they are abroad. They study. Their children they all over the place. They use our money till they train their children for abroad. So now make me say make a continue. This war where they put fire, put so. Even if it come today, their children not there. Now poor innocent people like me and you, now go use head to take carry on. So I want make Nigeria wake up now. Make they wake up now, because they won't make sure say they put all Nigerians for chain. So you now go come stand, hustle money for Europe. You go come see send and go house. Your government go useless for your hand. Now wow. I see this is how they go on, say people not they fit they send money. People not they fit they send money. So now Nigeria governor, they don't sit down, government, they don't sit down and say, okay, what it can be their problem? They send money when people they send. So now our country will be Nigeria, where would they use naira? You no go fit receive your money again in your currency. You go they receive am for another people currency for your own country. What did they know if you do to us again? What did Nigeria know if you do to us again? What did they know if you do? Because when they carry anything come outside, nobody they question them. For Italy, parliament, if they bring law come outside, they go sit down, they go deliberate on it, they go talk am before they go pass am for law. But for our country, once they just sleep, they just wake up, they go just carry one new law, knock am for their body. Now so it go be. Nobody go question them. Then also make I ask, what is the work of those senators? What if you now work? Una just enter that place as a senator, then una go buy house for Abuja. A senator where they put for worry, and they say, okay, this one are your place. They control your people. Now you be the mouthpiece. for your people for Asoro. Una go pack una bag, comot for your city. You go sit down for Lagos and for Abuja. Then how you wan go take dey know wetin dey happen for your country, for your city? Why you wan take know wetin your people dey lack, wetin your people need? How you wan take know? So una no dey after to serve the people when una promise to serve. Una dey after una pocket, just to put money for una pocket. So now say man use this opportunity to beg our Edo boys, abeg. They say women too many for this world. Now make some men dey marry many women. But for inside that Edo, so now there see say una dey kill una self by una self. Una dey kill una self by una self. Una dey make women dey be widows. Una dey make children be fatherless. War dey call Nigeria. Make una stop to dey kill una self. Make una unite, because these people, they are not our brothers. Those people that call themselves our leaders, they are not our brothers. So make una team up. Make una stand together as one, because war dey come where we need men to fight for us for Edo State. If una don't kill yourself finish, who will fight for us? Nobody. Women cannot go to war. Women no fit go war. Now men, na they go war. Abeg, make una no dey kill yourself. Make una stand for tomorrow. Make una prepare for tomorrow. Make una unite for tomorrow, so that because tomorrow we need people to stand for us. Because these people, e no concern them. If fight burst now, they get private jets, they don't move, they will leave the country. More than kill yourself finish. And when they una see kill yourself, anyone wanna kill men, they go still come, they go still see that they rule them. Because they don't want me we get hope. So about this money issue now, where be saying there, our leaders they come sit down put now. You go send money go house now. They'll come pieces the money for our hand. They not go let us see. May we use the money to do what we want use and take do. Make una raise this issue with me. Una raise this issue with me. Make una we know how we go to solve this problem. Because this problem they affect people where they outside. Because now you where they outside now goes okay, you get money, you want send and go house, they go scatter the money for your hand. So may una let us know for the comment section what it concern our Nigeria leader, concern exchange rate, and wetin come make them comot for naira wey be our currency wey we know take enter dollar. So whether they don't change our currency to dollar, so that when they receive in dollar, they go still spend that in dollar. So may we know. Let us know on the comment section, and I will see you now again for another video.